Introducing the outdoor 3-outlet timer from Fosmon. Here is a quick video on how to set up and operate the timer. First, familiarize yourself with the button layout. The reset button clears all settings. The program button reviews your timer events. The button with the gear icon is the set button. This button sets timer events and current time. The 2-hour button instantly turns on the outlets for 2 hours and then shuts the outlets off. The X or clear button clears the timer events. The mode button switches between random mode, timer mode, and Photocell mode. The power button turns the outlets on and off manually. The plus button increases the time and day settings, while the minus button decreases the time and day settings. Finally, the 8-hour button instantly turns on the outlets for 8 hours and then turns them off. Next, set the current time. Press and hold the set button for 2 seconds. Then use the plus and minus buttons to select the current day. Press the set button to move on to setting the current hour. Again, use the plus and minus buttons to select the hour. Press the set button again to move on to setting the current minute. To finalize the current time, press the set button once more. Now, let's set up the timer. Press program, then press and hold the set button for 2 seconds. Now you can set the first on time. Use the plus and minus buttons to set the combination of days desired. Follow the same process as setting the current time. Now, set the first off time. When finished, press the set button to set up more on and off times. When finished, press the power button to finalize timer setup. Up to 8 on and off times can be set, making this timer very versatile. Photocell mode is very handy if you want the outlets to turn on at dusk and off at dawn. Random mode turns the outlets on and off up to 5 times a day randomly. If you don't already own this convenient, versatile timer, pick yours up today.